Hi, what we're going to look at now is optimizing the performance of the PC. So the first thing we want to do is get into Control Panel. So let's hit Start, Settings, Control Panel. When you have Control Panel up and running, what you want to do is locate the Add or Remove Programs applet. It may look like this if you're in Category View. You'll find it right over here. The applet takes a second to populate with a list of all the applications that are installed on your computer. And what you want to do is just go through the list and look at the applications that you frequently use and look at the applications that you don't use so frequently. This one right here was last used on May 13th, 2005, so it's a good candidate for me to remove. So I could just select Change, Remove. It's going to run its uninstall wizard, and we can just select Remove and then hit Next to remove the application. When you've located all the applications that are good candidates for removal and have cleaned up these applications, we can just exit out of this applet. What we're going to do next is run the Windows Disk Cleanup utility. You'll find that under Start, Programs, Accessories, System Tools, and Disk Cleanup. When this is running, this will take a minute to analyze your hard drive and all the installed unused data files that are on your hard drive. So just be patient and let it do its thing. When it's finished the analysis, it'll come up with a window that looks like this. And what you can see is that there's quite a lot of unused or useless files laying around on the hard drive that can actually be removed. We can see the total amount of space that will be cleaned up, and so if we just click on OK, it's going to remove those files for us. What we're going to do now is we're going to run an error check on the volume in preparation for defragmenting the hard drive. So what you want to do first is just open up Windows Explorer. If you hit the Windows key and E on your keyboard, and then right-click on your local disk, usually drive C, and select Properties, and then select Tools, and then just click on Check Now under Error Checking. And we'll just hit Start, leave it at the default here. It'll take a few minutes to run here, and what it's doing is it's looking for bad sectors on your hard drive, and it'll put a flag next to those bad sectors so that the operating system doesn't try to write information to them. It'll also try to fix any file system errors. When disk check is done running, just OK the dialog that'll appear. And the next thing we're going to do is run the disk defragger. So right underneath error checking, select defragment now. The disk defragment dialog will appear, and what we want to select is defragment. Again, this is another application that may take upwards to a half hour, maybe even an hour, depending on the size of your hard drive. So it's updated my dialog with two areas: estimated disk usage before defragmentation and estimated disk usage after defragmentation. You'll notice the red are the fragmented files. Now, what is a fragmented file? Well, the software, the operating system that is, stores all your data files in little clusters on your hard disk. Now those clusters may not be next to one another, and so the software, the operating system, has to look